What's up, YouTube? This is Lance and I'm back with another video. So I've been working on a lot of different projects here and there because I do a lot of things. I've been building cars for a long period of time for either myself or for SEMA or for whatever. But now I'm gonna do something about my truck because I get the chance to work on it. So my next big mod, I decided to do something with the interior. So I haven't done it yet. So this is what I have. I have a F150 sport package. So as you can see, it has a sport seat with the sport lighting on there with the red seat belts, red and black, with this here. And so I got the red sport stuff, but this has a tendency to get dirty. And because I have a kid who plays sports, you know, she plays softball, and that's just a dirty sport. I get it. I played baseball when I was a kid. So in my interior, it suffers in the process. So my next mod, as you can see, this is what the seats look like. This is the front. And, you know, we got the front, you know, and as you can see, even I get it dirty. So I'm not going to just blame it all on my kid. You know, the front seats just really need some work. I can either take it and have it severely detailed, you know, but they're still cloth no matter what I do, you know. So I decided to go with an upgrade. You got it, Katzkin leather interior. So I already got the Katzkins, and I opened the box up. So let's see what we got going on here. So this is the colors I decided to go with. So I got the headrest here. This is the headrest, I believe. This is the you know, a good lookout. So I got the red stitching with the red piping. You know. So I got all the front and rear interior. You know, that looks like the back seat. That's sick. I love the red, you know, with the leather. So with perforated. That's cool. I mean, I've done it for other cars, but so that looks like the back seat. Yeah, that's the back seat. The bottom. Yeah, it's tight. I'm loving it. Then we got the, it looks like a back seat as well. That's the, looks like either the bottom as well. And here's the seat itself. Yeah, that's gotta be one of the front seats. So yeah, so I got the front seat with the sport embroidered on it with the red stitching, the red siding, goes all with the back. It's tight. I mean, my kid, you know, she wanted to help me pick this out, so I let her pick the colors. So yeah, both sport fronts, the backs and the bottoms, and this is the bottom. Look at the, looks like the back seats. Yeah, that's the other. Yeah, that's the other bottom. So the next big mod you're gonna see on this truck will be the interior, and then I'll make another video on what I've done so far and the plans on the next step, because there's still more audio stuff to be done. There's still more cool, and I still haven't really gave you a good go around on the truck itself. I still need to get you the videos of the suspension, but man, when it gets dialed in, it's gonna be tight, and there's gonna be some cool upgrades. So without any more saying, hopefully I'll get that next video, get the truck into the shop to one of my real good shop buddies over here, and they'll start working on the interior. I'm also talking about putting heated seats in that truck too, so I can have hot, you know, at least heated seats when it gets warm. Maybe it get cold, I should say. It don't get cold very often, but it'd be nice to have cool, actually heated seats, you know, when it is cold. Not that everywhere we go is cold. So stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you next time. Peace.